As Impey leads the way in innovation, we felt that these complemented and worked well in our portfolio. Also, when you're dealing with drains, it's all about the engineering, whereas looking at the drain tops, it's all about the aesthetics. So for us, it was really important to take it out of an engineering environment and really go back to basics. So pen and paper, real fluidity in sketches, and really getting involved in the conceptual look of the drain tops and the design. So very graphical as opposed to from an engineering perspective. We obviously had to make sure they've worked with the linear aqueduct range, so we needed to make sure they worked for both a 600mm and 800mm drain. Obviously, when you're designing, creating patterns, you need to make sure that there's no compromise between the 800 and the 600, so they both work and look like they've been designed specifically for that size. Once we've done the graphical sketch work, what we then do is work really closely with our local manufacturers, which is really helpful. So from there we can then tailor and edit the designs to really get them to work from a manufacturing perspective. We also then need to do the testing where we look at the flow rates to make sure that what we're offering from the creative aspect works from a technical aspect as well. We had lots and lots of concepts, which, as you can imagine, we then had to try and bring them down into 4 options to go forward with. The way we chose those options was looking at trends, looking at bathroom designs, and really trying to make sure that each of the designs would work well in different environments. The inspiration behind the Morse design was to give a real linear, structured, architectural pattern that really gives direction along the linear drain top. When you look at the design of the linear closely, you can really see the variation in the pattern as you go down the linear drain top and see that there is no repetition. It also gives a different characteristic to the environment that it would be placed in. The linear drain tops really helped strengthen our brand, and it shows that we listen to our customers, and what we hope to supply is to give them their choice to really enhance and personalise their bathroom.